What's going on, folks? Amazon has just released their Temu competitor category, whatever you want to call it, and it's called Haul. So I wanted to share my screen on my phone here to show you what I'm looking at. So on your mobile device, you'll see all your kind of cool stuff at the top, but you'll see this new one that says Haul right here. And I click on Haul. If you notice this little X right here in the top right-hand corner, it's not native inside the app, meaning it's not like where see how there's no X's over here for me to exit from inside of the system, but the Haul version has that. So it's almost like it's not part of the app because if you X that out, you X that out. But you can see here, it's very quick carousels, flashy banners, save 5% on 50, save 10%. It's screaming Temu vibes. It's very, very young feeling with the colors and stuff like that. The images do look China Direct, which is on par with what we were thinking about from them wanting to release it. So let's take a look at a product. I mean, $5.99 for scissors. Well, it's 2 pieces. Is that a huge deal though? I don't really know, but let's see what it looks like. What kind of PDP does it look like? Okay. Showing 7 images, and it doesn't show them in a breakdown. You have to scroll through them all, which is interesting. It gives you 15-day refund. What does that mean? So as a 15-day refund, this item can be returned in its original condition for a full refund within 15 days of receipt. All right. Product details. Is there a PDP? Like, is there a product detail page? There's not. So you're not getting any more info about this product besides what's here. There's no description. You're buying based off the photos, which is cool because that's how most people shop as it is. But let's take a look here. All right, we knew that. Let's go to something else. Let's take a look at 120-inch table runner. Just one photo. Oh, the star rating's up here too. So customer reviews. Doesn't say the date of when it was purchased. That's weird. Usually a date would be seen. So color variations over here. Any product details? There's no product details. You're not getting any details with this kind of stuff. So it's clear that images are it. That's all you're getting. And the funny thing is, people talk about image guidelines, TOS, and all that kind of fun stuff. That's out the window with Haul. You can pretty much do whatever you want in this. I'm not seeing any ad placement just yet. So even like apparel, you're typically not showing face and stuff like that, but this we are. That's all I'm getting. Size, free returns. Is it free shipping? Free delivery for over 25 bucks. Unbelievable finds. All right, we'll look up one more. So it's interesting that there's no, what is this, a leg protector? It's interesting that there's no actual product description. So you're only going off of images and titles. That's it. That's all you got. What is this? Shower drainage cover. $6.99? That seems like a lot for this. I don't even get more info on it. I can't believe I can't say that's a good deal. But yeah, you can see that right here. Oh, if I click on home while I'm inside Haul, I stay within home. Oh, the bottom menu bar. See the bottom menu bar over here? When you're inside Haul, it changes. But when you're in Amazon right here, you see how that's a regular kind of navigation bar at the bottom? When I click on Haul and I'm brought over here, then I can go into categories. Oh, and you can shop by sweatshirt, swim. So it's a little bit more search friendly from the navigation. So what's crazy low? Crazy low? A belt for $1, but just one image. But you're really kind of gambling because there's no product description. There's not even bullet points over here. This is white ribbon. Is that really crazy low for white ribbon? Maybe. Scalp massager. Yeah, so it's the kind of stuff where you're just buying in 99 cents. What is a spoon? There's only 10 left. I can't believe there's only 10 left. Those those only 10 left have to be some sort of urgency kind of thing, because I can't believe that they only have 10 over here. And obviously it's overseas direct only. But yeah. And then me. Is it just me? Oh, it's a whole. Oh, wow. The orders, when you're inside. Nope. So I thought when you click on orders over here, it will bring you inside the orders. It brings you to your orders, what you've ordered before. Maybe order PB pads and stuff like that. But it minimizes the whole beta. And then you'd have to go over here again to bring it back up. So it's interesting. So just wanted to share this with you guys. So add $25. I just think it's cool how they're trying to really tailor it to, it almost looks like Temu. They're like a spinning wheel away from being like Temu. So what do you guys think? Are you seeing this on your end? I specifically want to do it on the mobile version and not the desktop, just because I shop on mobile and I really want to see how it is. Some of the prices aren't like I guarantee if I went to Temu for this, I can get this cheaper. And like, do I know if it's metal or not? You only have the title. There's nothing else. Product details are like, there's none. So it's a real gamble. I will say that. But you are gambling with, $2 or $3 or $4 or $5. Cool. So let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment if you're buying from Amazon Haul, which is currently in beta, or are you going to wait till it's in non-beta, or you're never going to buy from it because it's probably cheap crap you don't need anyway. I don't know. Let me know in the comments.